Hi dear friends, if you want to change the username on the Snapchat, then this video will be helpful for you. Because in this video I will show you how you can change the username on the Snapchat very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon, click on it, and then you will see setting options, click on it, and then click on username, and then change the username according to you. So after changing the username, click on next options. So right here your password. After writing password, click on confirm options. So click on continue, click on confirm, and in this way you can see that my username has been changed. So click on continue. So you can see my username is changed. So in this way you can change username on the Snapchats. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.